Chromatography is a scientific practice used to separate mixtures, facilitating the advancement of scientific procedures and the development of countless products. In recent years, the accuracy of woven wire multi-layered solutions, like Porostar, has become the root of the industry's success. And despite the positive reputation that the material has gained, you must weigh in all the factors before investing in a woven wire chromatography frit. But no matter how good the beneficial qualities of a woven wire chromatography frit are, its ability to adhere to budget constraints will make or break its practicality. This leaves us with the underlying questions. How much does a woven wire chromatography frit cost, and what factors into the price? Woven wire chromatography frits are designed and fabricated to accommodate the needs of a customer on a case-by-case basis. So in most situations, no two frits are the same, and the price you expect to pay will of course vary. The factors that will dictate cost are of course alloy, size, micron rating, layer configuration, state of the market, and yes, quantity. So with these factors in mind, a chromatography frit can carry a price tag ranging from $1,300 to $2,000 per square foot as of 2025. So when inquiring about chromatography frits, you will ideally reach out with a drawing of the frit ready for submission. This drawing should include all parameters of the component, including the part profile, layer configuration, alloy, mesh specifications, and quantity. And if a drawing cannot yet be generated, you will want to have some sort of data sheet laying out the information of the woven wire being used as well as the dimensions. The supplier would need micron rating requirements and component thickness tolerances if this information cannot be provided. You can also send us an existing frit so we can reverse engineer it. But if this is the route that you want to go, it is important that you thoroughly clean the frit before shipment and that an MSDS is included as well. Now, if you're starting from scratch, you will want to consult with the manufacturer of your chromatography machine. Once the parameters of your chromatography frit have been established and your drawings have been generated, a team of engineers from your woven wire supplier will determine whether or not that drawing can actually be produced. If fabrication is possible, a quote highlighting things like material and labor will be generated and sent to you. Once a purchase order has been submitted and processed, fabrication will begin. Depending on factors like frit profile and material availability, you can then expect lead times ranging from 6 to 16 weeks. With all the various factors that influence the cost of a woven wire chromatography frit, quantity possibly has the highest potential to reduce the cost of an order. To produce a specific chromatography frit, a proprietary wire mesh laminate must be fabricated and specialized tooling must be set up. This requires an increased amount of labor, but increasing the amount of parts on an order will subsidize the expenses associated with that labor. In other words, the higher the order volume, the cheaper the component. Value engineering your chromatography frit is another great way to chip away at the cost per unit. This entails determining the acceptable deviations so you can identify where there actually is some wiggle room. Thanks so much for watching. If you have any questions, click our Talk to Us button to get in touch with our many experts on woven wire mesh. And if you'd like to learn more about woven wire mesh or our many products, we have a learning center filled with written and video content to make you an expert. We also have a YouTube channel. And don't forget to click that subscribe button and ring that bell to keep up with all things WS Tyler. My name is Andrew Kotlar, and I'll see you around in the next video. Bye for now.